What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestin Capital here, and this is officially episode 6 of the 200K challenge series. Guys, I've got to be honest with you. I over leveraged on my trade. I over leveraged. The last time you guys saw me, I was down about 2.5%, I think. But with the balance, I'm down about 3%, 3.5%. But floating equity, I'm only down about 1%. I over leveraged on this GCAT trade. Um, you know, Thankfully, it's playing out so far, and I'm expecting it to play out. But in total on this trade, I'm risking about 2.5%. Why am I risking that much? I do not know. But for some reason, I just decided to risk 2.5% on this trade. I could have easily been down 8% if I lost this trade. And again, anything could happen, but this trade is expected to win and is expected to win big. I should make about 14K on this trade if it plays out as expected. Right now, we're up about 5.5K. And yeah, before I took a couple losses. I took one loss on gold earlier during the week. That's why I haven't recorded much. I took this loss on gold. I was expecting buys from this area, but price did not buy. And yeah, this is the pretty much the only trade I've taken this week aside from the GCAD trade. Yeah, so gold and GCAD I've taken so far this week. I'm expecting pretty much everything to push up. And Nasdaq, I'm just waiting for a retest right here on Nasdaq. So we broke to the upside finally on the daily. So what I'm looking for is a retest to push to the upside. I showed you guys that on my market weekly outlook that I'm looking for Nasdaq to either go all the way up or to come down, to go all the way up on the daily or to break the low on the daily. And it broke the upside, broke to the upside. So I'm looking for the retest on the downside. So now, yeah, as I showed you guys, not much to say, but you know, I over leveraged on this trade, and that's the only reason I'm up about 2.5%. Now, I know you guys think that I should. I know you guys are saying that I should close the trade out here, but the upside potential is beautiful. It's definitely going to put me in profit over 200K. It's going to put me up about maybe 3%, I believe, if the trade hits. So yeah, I'm still going to hold this trade. Loses. It is what it is. I win. I feel like I'm stuck in a cycle right now. Like I'm going up, going down, up, down. But yeah, hopefully this trade plays out and it breaks me above that cycle, breaks me out of that cycle, and we go in profit. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's my update so far. I will continue to update you guys. I may not be able to record when TP gets hit, but I will show you guys screenshots. All right, so yeah, that's just a quick update for you guys. I will continue to update. Let me actually show you the GCAD trade that I took. I haven't shown you guys that. So we are on the. So it's a 45-minute setup or 1 minute or 1 hour setup. So simple market structure. Price played to the downside. This was the high that broke this low. So right when price broke that low, I expected retests over here. So price came back, gave a nice retest. I don't think price gave a setup within here, so I didn't take a trade. Price gave a push down, and then I think this was CPI, GBP CPI, not USD CPI, but British pound CPI just pushed price to the upside. It was around 2 o'clock in the morning or so. And yeah, that's why we have this huge, this is like what is it, 200 pip candle? Oh, not 200 pips, but 120 pip candle, 4 hour candle. That's what broke structure to the upside. So all I did was wait for price to come back and retest that same structure that broke the low. And then price broke the high. I expected price to retest that structure. Price did. Price gave me a beautiful setup in between. And within that setup, you can see price took out the low over here, broke above the high, and that was my confirmation. I just put a buy limit, and we are pushing to the upside. My TP is somewhere probably over here. I managed to get in up here somewhere. I don't know why my entry says down there. I managed to get in like somewhere up here. So it's still a 1 to 2. I just gotta right over here, somewhere over here. Yeah, that's where my TP is, and yeah, I'm currently holding. Let me actually place this correctly. TP 1.71837. 71837. All right, so my TP is somewhere over here. So I'm holding this, expecting price to push the upside and hit TP. So again, I will continue to update you guys. I will see you guys in a little bit. As you guys saw by the screen recording, I was up as much as 7.3K, 7.5K, something like that. But unfortunately, we got stopped out on the trade. And yeah, this is currently where we stand. We're down 9%, a little over 9%. I thought it was going to hold. It was a beautiful trade. I thought price was going to continue to push up. We're almost at break even. But again, it is what it is. We're going to continue to just push through, man. Push through the failures. Whatever it is, just continue pushing through. So as I said, we're down about 9%. There's not much to say here. We lost on that trade, and then we lost on this GU trade today. So the GCAD trade that you saw, which was this one right here. Again, I expected to push all the way up, and we lost on GU this morning. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Again, I usually post more videos than this, but because I only took a couple trades this week, I just decided to put everything in one. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. We're down 9%. We're going to continue to trade the same way. We're going to do some refinements, of course, because it doesn't make any sense as to why. Well, obviously over leveraging. But yeah, we're going to continue, guys, to look for setups. It's currently the weekend, so we're just going to prep for next week, do a weekly market outlook, and stay strong. We're going to push past the failure. It is what it is. We're just, as long as we learn from our failures, that's the most important thing. As long as we are constantly learning from our failures, that's what is going to make us into successful, not only just trading, just successful in life in general. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.